So what happened? How you know how many applications that you install on Android? You can install this app here. It will keep track how many applications that you install, the history of this. Um, they call it app history. So we're gonna go look here, and we can type app. So this is the one I'm talking about. Okay, now and how back up your app in case something goes wrong. I use this guy app backup. This is what I'm using. And this application, so when you want to back up something, you just click this, click this, click this, or you click on of them and you click back up. And that's it. Everything will be back up. In the future, you will restore them back if something goes wrong. So this go looking for this app backup here. Um, let's see this guy. App backup and restore. So we have to look again. App backup and restore.